My video guide will provide you with help to remove the new adware called EssentialEntry. EssentialEntry is a new adware that is attacking many Mac computers these days. EssentialEntry adware, once installed, starts to display a lot of intrusive advertisements which are not related to the sites that you visit. So if this EssentialEntry adware was somehow installed to your computer, it is definitely time to remove this adware. Furthermore, it may redirect you to many dangerous places, and as a consequence, your system may be contaminated by some malware. Check your applications. Through your Finder, right-click on this adware and choose the option to move it to the trash. And if you find anything else that is suspicious, remove it too. Now, I recommend you to additionally research the computer with Combo Cleaner. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, select your preferred operating system, use the green download button, install it, and start researching this system with its help. After you start Combo Cleaner Antivirus for the first time, the application will be initially in the trial mode, even though certain features of Combo Cleaner are absolutely free to use. For example, disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, and after it is successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan button. Combo Cleaner Antivirus will then begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. There are some other features that require premium license. They are antivirus, privacy scanner, and uninstaller feature. The scanning duration depends on various factors, of course. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time, and it may depend on some other factors too, of course. So take your time, wait until the scanning by Combo Cleaner has been successfully accomplished. Also, if you choose to upgrade to Premium, you can request a limited functionality trial activation key. But definitely, Premium license is a much better solution to keep your system always protected from further adware or malware attacks. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider Premium license, and this way your system will always be protected from further virus attacks.